All right, today we are looking at this charm bracelet making kit. This was sent to us for an honest review, and it was sent to the right people because do we love charm bracelets? Yes, we do, and we love making our own jewelry. So show us what you've made so far.
So far I made like a silver and blue bracelet and has like basically my favorite animals and face on it, which I really
Cool.
like.
And you also made a necklace. It didn't tell us that you can make necklaces, but it has a few things in the kit that will allow you to make necklaces. So we should look in the kit real quick. You see how she just used silver because most of the charms are silver. So there's a lot of different charms, and you can see these are really nice charms. They're metallic and pretty high level of quality on them. And there's a bunch of different things as animals and different shapes. There's some religious things, just random objects. And a few things do have color. We've got some lips here and a few other things, a palm tree that has some color. So some of them have color. But then it also comes with these just little beads. And so you can have some variety. Some things hang down like a traditional charm. And then it has a few of the fancier ones wrapped up separately. So you've got some really nice beads as well. Now for the actual bracelet, some of them are thick, some of them are thinner. Now of course this would be for a necklace. So it comes with enough to really, you can make several bracelets, several necklaces. You're gonna be busy with this for a long time. And then of course you can combine this if you already have charms, then combine it with what you have. And it's fun, right? Anything else you wanna say about it?
I really like the colors that it has and design things like has Pegasus, very good and also planets and even a Pac-Man, which is pretty cool.
Well, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. What about you? Oh, 3 thumbs up. It's doing pretty good.